In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print outstanding QuickBooks Desktop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, which report to choose, how to set the right dates, and how to print or save your results so you can share them or keep them for your records. Start by opening QuickBooks Desktop and heading to the Reports menu at the very top of your screen. This is your command center for anything you want to view or print. From there, move down to the Customers and Receivables section. This is where QuickBooks keeps the reports related to unpaid customer balances and invoice activity. You'll see two great choices for outstanding amounts. If you want a detailed list of every open, unpaid invoice, choose Open Invoices. This report shows each customer, each invoice number, the dates, and the amounts due. So it's perfect for collections follow-up or when you need line-by-line detail. If you're looking for a high-level view grouped by how long amounts have been outstanding, choose AR Aging Summary. That one shows totals by aging periods, typically current, 130, 31 to 60, 61 90, and over 90 days. So it's ideal for management snapshots or quick reviews of your exposure. Once the report opens, take a moment to set the date range near the top. Pick the period you want to analyze, often today or this month for a current snapshot, or a custom date if you're preparing statements for a specific cutoff. If you adjust the dates, click refresh to make sure the report recalculates with your new settings. If something doesn't look right, the date range is the first place to double check. When the report looks the way you want, you're ready to output it. Click the print option at the top of the report window to open your print settings. You can send it straight to your printer if you need a paper copy. Be sure to glance at the print preview so headings, margins, and page orientation look good. If you'd rather share it digitally or keep an electronic copy for your files, choose Save as PDF instead. This is a clean, universal format that's easy to email to your team or to customers when needed. That's all there is to it. Go to Reports, open Customers and Receivables, pick Open Invoices for detail or AR Aging Summary. For totals by aging period, set your dates and refresh, then print or save as a PDF. With these steps, you'll consistently produce clear, accurate snapshots of what's still owed to your business whenever you need them.